The industrial pad mount transformer from Larson Electronics offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in indoor, outdoor, and public locations. With a transformer rating of 3.75 MVA, this industrial transformer features a dual-rated primary voltage of 3-phase 34,500 volt delta and a secondary voltage of 3-phase 480 Y and 277 volt Y. An enclosed design caters to installations on concrete pads without protective fencing. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. An input voltage switch allows the transformer to be switched between primary voltages. This transformer features a 5-position tap changer. The following gauges are included with the system: liquid level, temperature, and pressure and vacuum gauges. The front electrical enclosure carries a NEMA 3R rating. This transformer features an automatic action fault pressure device. The heavy-duty enclosure makes this unit suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.